Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss about this Cucumber parallel framework. We're just going to demonstrate, what this parallel framework is capable of doing, how it's going to run your features parallelly, so that you can save a lot of time while executing this code. And also, you can see like how it's going to be able to capture a specific screenshot of a specific browser, wherever tests are getting failed. So let's not waste the time and go for the feature file. So feature file, I have these four different scenarios. This is the three, this is the four. All right, so here you're just verifying the FB login and the registration feature. So what it's gonna do is it's simply gonna go to that facebook.com and it's gonna provide username, password, click on create an account, first and last name, all these details, and simply just close the browser. So that's the scenario we're going to try with the four different scenarios, four different inputs. So let me run it from here. So you can see four different browsers already launched. So you can see all of them has the login page now. We'll start inputting details to them. Now I'm in sign up page. The first one got closed because it got failed. That's the reason. Alright, awesome. So everything got successfully executed. Alright, so this is our pretty log. Now let's open the report. So I already have the report open here, which is my existing report, but I'm going to simply refresh. All right, here we go. So we have this scenario 3 got run initially the beginning. So scenario 3, everything got passed. Scenario 1, everything got passed. Scenario 4, everything got passed. Scenario 2, which has the username failed, and it got failed here. And also you can see that we have a screenshot attached to that. Where we can also verify which screen got failed. And you can see the username has failed. So it's successfully able to capture the proper screenshot. And this is a short demonstration of this framework. If you want to have detailed uh, video regarding the explanation of this framework, how I designed it, how we can customize it, um, I'll provide the link in the description. Please follow the instruction. And also, if you're interested in Java parallel framework as well as Python PyTest parallel framework, at the end of the video, I'll share the link. Please visit them as well and see if you like that. You can have it as implemented in your project. And I think that's all for now. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.